let us talk about how you can improve the audio quality after you recorded your video. In your videos, there are fan noise, there are ambient noise. Those noise can be very cumbersome and can then degrade the quality of your audio. And for that, you can easily use free software like Audacity to remove the noise. Let me show you by recording a small bit of sound and then see how I can remove the audio. So to capture sound, I'll just go ahead and select my mic. I'm using a Rode microphone, so I'll just select a Rode mic and then capture a bit of audio to test out. So let me record something and show you how you can remove the audio, remove the noise. But before doing that, let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you one thing. To effectively remove the noise, you need to have some moments of silence so that the recording app can have some ambient noise recorded, so that the software which will remove or which will post-process your sound can know that the moments of silence contains the ambient noise. So if you're not speaking anything, the noise will be captured. Whatever is there around you will be captured. What I'll do is I'll hit the record button, will not speak anything for around 4 or 5 seconds so that I get a noise profile. So I'll show you what that means later on in the next step. So let me first record something. So I'll keep some moments of silence in the front so that the software can do its job in a better way. Let me record something and test out. Hello, this is the test of the noise removal of Audacity. So what I have done is that I have recorded something. Whatever I have spoken, it is this waveform. All right. But you can see this waveform where I kept some moments of silence, that there are certain noise. So this is what we need to remove the noise, because this goes everywhere. So if I play back this thing, you can hear the noise, right? So what I can do is I'll select this noise and then go to Effects panel on this menu and then go to Noise Reduction and then click on Get Noise Profile. So the moments of silence which contains the ambient noise, that will be captured by the software as a noise profile. So I have selected those moments of silence to get the noise profile. So I'll click on Get Noise Profile. Okay, then the software has captured the noise profile. Now I'll select the whole audio or the part of audio which I would like to reduce the noise from. So I'll select everything, the whole of the audio file. Then I'll go again to the Effects panel and then click on the noise reduction again. So here you can play with the settings using the preview button to get a better quality audio, but I'll just go ahead with the default values because in the earlier step I have already got the noise profile in your Audacity. Now what I'll do is I simply click on OK. So now you keep watching on this waveform. Once I click OK, this waveform will be diminished. That means the noise will be lowered. So I'll just go ahead and hit OK. You see, the noise is removed a lot. Let me play it again and see what has been done to the audio. Now you can see that this is crystal clear. Hello, this is the test of the noise removal of Audacity. Okay, so you can see that earlier there were some noise in front. And now Audacity has done its job and it's removed the noise. So this is how easy it is to remove the noise from your audio projects using Audacity. So Audacity is a free software which I highly recommend for all of you to use to upgrade your quality of your audio.